Okay, now let's see. We will be analyzing our Euro USD for let's say on the 5. So let us see where our Euro USD would be going. As we can see now, before we go, let's highlight our key level. As we can see here, we take here as our support, right? We take here as our support, right? We take here as our support, right? One thing is that our price has actually hit this our support, and we are expecting a bullish move. That is exactly what we are expecting now. We are expecting our price to push up, but will our price actually just start giving us that bullish move? Personally, I don't believe so. I believe our price will come again to touch this our support area here, giving us like 1 2 3 week touching our supports, by the way, before we see that bullish move. So probably for the day we can see a bearish move, then a bullish move. Our price can possibly close bullish. That is why. So as we are having that bullish move, a bullish move we are expecting on our Euro USD, our USD index itself would be falling. Our USD would be falling. So let's see on our USD index now. On the daily time frame, as you can see, our price has hit this our level, and I'm expecting our price to fall to this our level here, this low, yes, this support, as you can see our price ranging here, this our support area here. I'm waiting for our price to fall to it. So as our USD itself, the XY is falling, our euro should be pushing up. That is exactly what we are aiming for. So at least to hit here. That is it. That is why I said for the day, which is on the 5th, that I'll be doing this video for, we should be seeing a drop to touch this our support area and go bullish move. Now, as we can see it on our index, the XY, let's see on our 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we are on a downward trend. As you can see, it's our fall, a pullback, lower highs, our lower lows. Now we've added this our lower highs. As you can see, it's in this our previous lower lows. As you can see, it's this our previous lower lows. We are expecting a fall again on our USD. That itself will be giving us a push up on our Euro USD. So that is why I said let's watch out, as our USD itself can push up a little bit. The reason why I said it can go up a little bit to hit out this liquidity area. When it hits this liquidity area here, it tests this liquidity area here, then we would see that fall. So as our USD is pushing up to touch that our liquidity area, that is where we will be seeing our fall on our euro. When our USD itself now starts falling as we are expecting, then our euro will start climbing up. So let's watch out for a fall tomorrow, a fall, then a bullish move. Probably we will be seeing that bullish move in our London or in our New York session. So that is my analysis. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video if you find it helpful. Thank you very much.